Your pipeline moves fast. Does your compliance keep up? While your team is juggling multiple regulatory standards and trying to stay audit-ready, development can stall. But with GitLab, compliance is integrated directly into your development workflows. Every commit triggers comprehensive scans across your codebase, containers, and running applications. Vulnerabilities are flagged, compliance risks are identified, and policies enforced. Because momentum matters. GitLab keeps your teams developing at speed without sacrificing governance. This is built-in compliance that happens as you go. At every stage, compliance rules auto-enforce. Access is tightly controlled. Every change is tracked and tested. While your team writes code, GitLab handles the checks, the evidence, and the traceability. Pipelines validate themselves against your regulatory requirements. The result? Secure, compliant releases without the drag. Confidence embedded from the first line of code. You can work with 50-plus pre-built controls or customize frameworks to match your exact needs. Plus, multiple frameworks can be enforced at once. The Compliance Center brings all reporting and policy enforcement into one place, so you can manage risk at scale, stay audit-ready, and identify issues early, not at delivery. Help your development, security, and compliance teams move as one. Faster, smarter, and in sync. This is compliance without complexity. This is compliance at the speed of development.